Right, this lesson will be a short one, but that doesn't mean it isn't important. A great way to encourage customers to pay their invoices as soon as possible and free up our capital is to offer a discount on the total amount they owe us if they pay sooner. Let's say Company X issues an invoice for $100,000 due in 60 days. But its finance manager is interested in decreasing the total amount of trade receivables the company has on its balance sheet and offers a 2% discount of the total amount due if the client pays in 30 days. That's a great technique some companies use to incentivize the early collection of receivables. This can be helpful, especially when the company runs out of cash and struggles to cope with a growing working capital. Okay, there are two ways to account for the discount from an accounting perspective. If we know the client will pay earlier beforehand, we can issue an invoice that contains a discount. Otherwise, the client will pay our initial invoice and our company will issue a credit note, a document that indicates we owe them money. Company X will either pay the credit note with cash or will compensate it against some of its future receivables with this client. Okay, so that's one way we can incentivize clients to pay us earlier and decrease our receivables. Later in the course, especially in the sections in which we'll focus on working capital optimizations, we'll cover several additional techniques that allow companies to reduce their receivables figures. Starting from our next lesson, we will talk about inventories. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.